Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's date is, let me check, during this quarantine period, कौन सा दिन चल रहा है कुछ पता ही नहीं चलता है. Today is Tuesday 28th April 2020. So I just want to share something. Before sharing, it's request if you people have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. If you have not yet subscribed, if you think it's worth, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do like it, share it. Okay, let me continue. So today someone asked a question to me, okay, that someone insulted me और उसकी बेइज्जती हो रही है जहाँ पे वो है. Okay, so you know, if someone instantly shares the problem and expects you to counsel them, at that point of time, whatever you have in your mind, you know, you just share with that person and try to solve that person's problem. However, if you would have some time, you know, in that case you might have prepared properly and then you would have counseled the person in a better manner. But at that point of time, or you can say just now, I do not have much to say, but I would like to say, and I made this video because this similar question, you know, many of you all might have, so I thought why not to share this. And on top of that, it's personally for me also. Even I might, you know, come across this problem in my life today or maybe tomorrow and any time in future. Okay, so I thought why not to speak on this, and if I forget, I'll refer to my video itself and I'll be speaking. There's a lizard there now. Okay. Insult. If somebody insults, what to do? See, first of all, if somebody is insulting you on a regular basis or very often, okay, so if a person is insulting you, and when I'm saying insulting, it can be in many ways, you know, it can be in many ways. It can be insulting straightforward, you know, speaking on face, rudely. Second, it must be in a funny way, okay, or taunting, anything, okay. So a person might insult you in several ways. For example, if a person is wearing a dress for a consecutive 2 to 3 days, the same dress, and a person might say, यार ये तो बहुत अच्छा ड्रेस है, लगता तुम्हें बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि पिछले 2-3 दिन से तुम पहन रहे हो. So this is insult, okay, because बहुत अच्छा, and then the person says 2-3 दिन से यही पहन रहे हो, so you know, that's an insult. So और बहुत सारा हो सकता है. For example, you might have graduated from a college, okay, which does not have very good reputation, okay, it's a okay college, okay, and because financially a person is, you might not be so strong, okay, to take admission in some very reputed college, you know, so that's why you manage to take admission in some normal college which locally has name, but you know, it does not have name across your country. So from that college, if you pass even from a very good marks and you go for an interview, the person who is taking interview might tell, person like you, you know, if you have with such good marks, if you have reached till this table, in itself it's a big thing, you know. Had it been you from some very good college, then you might have got the job, okay, and you are actually an asset for the college itself. The college is very lucky to have the college was very lucky to have a student like you. So you might feel happy at that moment, but when you look to the entire statement carefully, that person is, the interviewer is actually insulting you, So there are many more examples like this where a person gets insulted, okay, in their office place, in their school, colleges, neighbors, okay. So how to deal with it? See, first of all, I'm speaking everything out of my experience. Do not return insult for an insult. It does not work. No. At least for me it didn't work, and I believe it will not work for any of you. Insult for an insult, no. Okay. But I would say something. I guess many of you all might say it depends on the situation. Sometimes insult for an insult is needed. That I leave on you all completely. Okay. Now, this is my thinking, like insult for an insult would not work. If you think a person is insulting, or you have an environment or a circle where people are insulting you on a regular basis, or you're not liking things that people are telling you, just move out from that person or that group. Okay, just move out from that person or that group and behave as if you never know that group or that person. Okay, behave as if you never knew that person or that group. Okay, if you can do that, great. However, if you think you cannot do that, you have to stay long life with that person, or maybe for 3 years, 4 years, you have to stay with that person. So in that case, please do not complain, because that would not solve your problem. Okay, just adjust yourself with that person, or stay in that environment, live in that environment. You cannot do anything. Do not complain. Okay, just be strong enough, strong enough to be in that environment. Okay, I would not be rude, like you might get rude counseling. Just shut up and stay in that place and do not complain. I would not say that. That would sound so rude. Okay, I would say try your best to stay in that place, because you are saying that you do not have option to move from that place. Example, if you have a friend circle, so come on, I would never call a friend if the friend is insulting you. So do not consider calling that person a friend who's insulting you. Just move out from that person, and believe it that that person was never your friend. Okay. And second thing, a person might be a relative. If you can move out, good. If you cannot, what to do then? Maybe a person is your husband or your wife. Okay, so in that case, I would never suggest to separate. I would never suggest to do so. But now you have to stay with that person. In that case, try leaving it. Okay, try adjusting yourself. Ab kya kare batao? Okay, next is I remember a story. I would like to share the story with you. Okay, I would tell that story in Hindi. I love telling the story in Hindi. ये एक देश का राजा था. ओके, और उसके जितने भी लोग थे, ओके, उनसे वो बहुत प्रेम करता था. और उसके लिए उन्होंने, क्योंकि पानी की समस्या हो रही थी, ओके, पूरे देश में, और उसने क्या की कि एक बहुत बड़ा कुआं जो है ना, वो बनवाया, और उस पूरे आवाम को बोला कि इस कुएं में जो है ना, इस कुएं का पानी सब पी सकते हैं. ओके, एंड क्या गरीब, क्या अमीर, क्या गोरा, क्या काला, मोटा, पतला, सब कोई आके इस कुएं से पानी ले सकते हैं. एंड सब बहुत खुश हुए, राजा को सब सराहे और उनसे और ज़्यादा प्रेम करने लगे, और कुआं से वो पानी लेने लगे, और बहुत सब कुछ खुशहाली से चल रहा था. बस कुआं बन के कुछ ही वक्त हुआ था. और देखिए, ज़िंदगी में कभी आप कुछ अच्छे काम करते हैं तो बहुत लोग हैं जो आपकी तरक्की और खुशी को नहीं देख पाते, लोग जब आपकी तारीफ़ करते हैं. राजा के साथ भी बिल्कुल वैसा ही हुआ. और राजा जो है, उसका दुश्मन, पड़ोसी राज्य का राजा जो है, उसका दुश्मन चुपके से अपने लोगों के द्वारा रात के अंधेरे में उस राजा के जो उसने कुआं अपने लोगों के लिए बनाया था, उसमें जहर मिला दिया, है ना। और हुआ ये कि दूसरे दिन जब गांव के बाकी लोग उस पानी को पीने लगे तो सब के सब पागल हो गए, सब के सब पागल हो गए और सब राजा को मारने के लिए उसके महल की तरफ आने लगे। राजा ने अपने मंत्री से कहा, मंत्री अब मैं क्या करूं, ये लोग सब तो मुझको मारने आ रहे हैं। महाराज, अगर आपको अपनी जान बचानी है, बड़ी गौर से इस बात को सुनिएगा, राजा या महाराज, अगर आपको अपनी जान बचानी है तो आप भी उस कुएं का पानी पी लीजिए, तो आप भी उस कुएं का पानी पी लीजिए, है ना। तो आई होप यू गॉट द लेसन। ओके, आपको समय के हिसाब से अपने आप को तब्दील करना पड़ेगा, उस माहौल के हिसाब से अपने आप को तब्दील करना पड़ेगा। उस जगह में मंत्री ने राजा को ऐसा कहा, आई थिंक उसको और अच्छा से बोला जा सकता था कि या तो आप भी इसी कुएं का पानी पी लीजिए और पूरे आवाम के जैसा हो जाइए, या तो आप भाग जाइए यहाँ से। वही बात मैं आपको समझाना चाह रहा हूँ कि अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि जिस माहौल में आप है या जिस जगह में आप है, ओके, इफ़ यू थिंक, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप नहीं बर्दाश्त कर पा रहे हैं, है ना, या तो आप बिल्कुल वैसा ही हो जाइए या तो आप उस जगह से भाग जाइए, और कोई रास्ता नहीं मेरे हिसाब से। अगर आपको लगता है कि कोई और भी रास्ता है तीसरा, तो आप ज़रूर मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखें। ओके, आई वुड अप्रिशिएट योर कमेंट्स। सो थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, आई होप you got my message, whatever I wanted to say, and whatever you have your reviews regarding my videos, please comment below in the comment box. Thank you so much. Bye bye.